Lesson 3. Noun clauses. Listen to 4 conversations using noun clauses. Conversation 1. 2 people discuss a movie. What made no sense to the man?
Well, that was a terrible movie. That is not what I expected.
Yeah, I didn't like it at all. The acting was terrible, but what I really hated was the ending. How dumb.
What got me was the plot line. It made no sense.
So, what do you want to do now?
Well, what I would really like to do is forget the last 2 hours that I wasted on this rubbish.
Yeah, what a waste of 2 hours. It is what it is, I guess.
Question 3.1. What made no sense to the man? The answer is the plotline. Conversation 2. A man and woman talk about breakfast. What did the man season differently?
So, how did you like breakfast?
Everything was delicious. The toast, the jam, the coffee. But what I really loved was how you seasoned the eggs. They were delicious.
I'm glad you liked it. That wasn't usually how I cook them.
Oh, what did you do differently?
Well, what I usually do is add the seasoning after I cook the eggs. But this time, I did it before I cooked them.
That's a good tip. I'll try that myself next time.
What you don't want to do, though, is add too much salt.
Okay, I'll go easy on the salt. I'll remember that.
Question 3.2. What did the man season differently? The answer is the eggs. Conversation 3. 2 people talk about a company in their building. Who did the company lose clients to?
What's going on across the hall?
From what I heard, the company in that office is going out of business. They went bankrupt.
Really? I would love to know why their business failed. I thought they were doing well.
From what I could gather, they lost a lot of their clients to a new tech rival.
That's too bad. I guess that is the sign of the times. It's a dog-eat-dog world.
Well, back in the day when they first got started, they put a lot of local firms out of business. What goes around comes around.
I get what you're saying, but it's still hard not to feel bad for them.
Question 3.3. Who did the company lose clients to? The answer is a new tech rival. Conversation 4. 2 people talk on a ski lift. Who did they see during their conversation?
It's too bad Jason couldn't make the trip.
Maybe he didn't want to be around his ex-girlfriend.
What I heard was that she asked him not to come.
Well, he did break up with her, so I don't blame her.
That's not what I heard. I heard she broke up with him.
Well, what really happened is none of our business, I suppose.
You are right. It's still not the same without him.
Hey, speak of the devil. There she is.
Question 3.4. Who did they see during their conversation? The answer is Jason's girlfriend.
Thank you for watching. Grab your free worksheet and book by clicking the link below. Visit elo.org to access thousands of free English lessons, anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.